Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And after having made this bracelet that turned out pretty cool, as I was kind of talking about it, it's neat when it's doubled. It really kind of shows more of what the pattern is about. So I'm going to take my little bunch of colors, move them off to the side. Just really did not leave myself a lot of room on the side with this template. Normally I would just do like a small element of this, but the sides aren't the same. Like this has a straight edge on this side, and this side it goes over and does more. So this is going to be a little bit harder to actually map out than the previous ones. 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I'm not sure which is the right length. Hang on. Let's bring in color number 2. So essentially we know that this pattern is just like the last one, except for the fact that it's twice as big. This is here like that. Oops. I'm like way too far zoomed out, but that's all right. Yeah, and then this one comes around. So I was right on the left side. I was off by 1 on the right, so. That's our basic shape for that part. And then the dark blue, that bit that makes it kind of a strange optical effect on it, will come all the way around all of this. Straight up this way. Now I only have to go to the halfway point because I can still copy the whole right half over to the left area, but I have to fill in all of this here. Alright, so that's where the blue is. Let's put in another one of our purple ones. Should zoom in. It's just so much easier when you can see what you're doing. And to be honest, the only reason I'm actually even bothering making this pattern is so that way it can be available over on my website, because we've already determined what the order is for the strings to go in to actually make the bracelet, and the design itself is the same. So doubling it is just that. It's just making it twice as wide. You kind of almost don't need the pattern if you've already got the first one figured out, but I know that there'll be somebody out there who takes a look and just does not understand what's happening and needs the pattern to follow back on. And if that's you, well, here, this pattern is for you. But like I said, it's exactly the same thing, just twice the width. So, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but even just doing the smaller version took me at least another hour or more to fill in all of the underlying strings. So yeah, it's kind of a lot of work. But that said, it's, I don't know, it kind of feels worth it to know that you guys can make the bracelet and you don't have any problems with figuring it out, that kind of stuff. So I'm hoping my template is long enough. I didn't have a template for a single stranded 16, so I kind of threw one together. I'm hoping that this is long enough. But you kind of get the gist of it. Let's do real quick, put in some blue in here and just kind of show you what this is going to look like. While I'm filling this in, let's just quick give a shout out to all my YouTube members that make this possible. I don't know. I think this stuff is pretty awesome. I love sharing the ideas and stuff with you guys. And it takes a lot of resources. There's a lot of string used. There's a lot of time goes into making these videos. If you're a member, you go behind the scenes and watch the videos getting made, you'll know that, like, I put a lot into all of this. So, all right, slightly lighter blue next. So when it's a single as opposed to this double, the edges, you can't really tell that it is the same shape. But here, when we shift this over, I'll show you what that looks like. The latest blue. And this particular pattern, I have used this for making bags. Occasionally I'll throw a diamond in between to get it to flip to go the other direction, but essentially it is still this pattern. All right, so if we copy and paste that and flip it, and anchor that layer and merge it down, there we go. So this dark blue here takes up the same space as these purple ones here. So that's the yin and yang of it that I keep talking about. And yeah, I still have to put in one more set down here at the bottom. And it's weird. But yeah, I don't know if there's enough space. I might have to do a bunch of crazy finagling to make that work, but you get the gist. I will have to go in and fill in all these underlying strings. That's going to take a long time. I don't expect you guys to have to sit through that. Just know that it works, and that yeah, if you if you were trying to design this from scratch and you didn't know, there would be a lot more fiddling with it and trying to get it to work than this. But since we actually have other bracelets we can look at, we know that it works. It's just a matter of filling it in afterwards. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already hit the like button, please do that. It helps out immensely. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.